So here is how to animate photo with AI for free. For this video, I'll be using this website called domoai.app. And as you can see, I'm already in the website. So once you're here, make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, select the AI video option. Then on this page, you can select whichever model that you want to use. I will go with this one. Then on this section, you can put in the image that you want to animate. So I'll just drag and drop a photo from my device. Once it's done uploading, you need to type in your prompt in the prompt section right over here. Give it a detailed prompt instructing it on how to animate the photo. And on the bottom here, you can select the aspect ratio, duration, and if you want to keep the audio on or off. Then just click on Generate. And as you can see, the image is now being animated right over here. Once it's ready, just click on it and you'll be able to view the animation. And that's it. That is exactly how to animate photo with AI for free.